Hi guys, how you guys doing today? So I'm gonna show you how to make homemade toothpaste. All you have to have is just coconut oil, like 2 spoon much, and just 1 spoon of baking soda and a half spoon of the sea salt. That's it. You definitely want to have that coconut oil based, um, but you could miss one of the either sea salt or the baking soda. Okay, so make sure you have your coconut oil kind of warmed up a little bit because usually they solidify at room temperature. So just warm it up a little bit so you can semi like a gel, so solid like a gel type of form. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just, like I said, just gonna put 1 spoon much of baking soda here. Okay, and now I'm gonna add just a little bit of sea salt right there, and I'm just gonna mix that up. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so here you go. Just try to mix it at all, and it looks like they all mixed really well. And all you gotta do is just put this a little bit on that, toothbrush, and that's it. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, so here you go. So that's just a little bit of that on the toothbrush. So yeah, that should be good alternative for your regular toothpaste. So this is how you can make homemade toothpaste. Okay, all right, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye bye.